So today I'm going to work like I worked with the data in inserting the CSV data into the QGIS and then connecting to the PGAdmin or Postgres and then uh, working with the SQL by using Jupyter Notebook. So I had problem yesterday and I could not complete my job, like I could not complete my challenge. So I did my best to solve the problem. So the main thing I got from here is that I had some problem with the port number. I used 5432 port number, like I had pgadmin, and in this 11 PostgreSQL 11 the connection server is 5433, and uh, the code which I will show you uh, will direct will be redirected to the port 5432. So uh, instead of going to 5433, it was redirected to 5432. So there was a problem, so I solved this problem. So I'm going to show how I solved that problem. So first of all, go to anaconda prompt. Then after, I will go to my directory. I have loaded it in a download. So after this, I will activate SQL as I had already done it in the previous video. So you can directly activate the SQL. SQL is activated. Then after, I will start the Jupyter. So Jupyter Notebook. Oh, sorry, JPYTR Notebook. Then after, a notebook will be opened. So first of all, I want to show you what was the initial things in that notebook. So here is a connection string, and it will go to the local host, and for the Postgres, the local host will be in the port 5432. So I did some work here by the concept of this one. So I installed import psycop2, and I could connect the server to my Postgres. So look here, first of all I will run this, that will be loaded. I will run this, I will run this, I will run this, and I will run this, and then I will run this. It will be not connected, like the local host is going to connect to the 5432 server. So I have to work, like I should have connect it to 5433. So let's run it again, and run it again. Yeah, then it will be connected to the server, and when I will run it again, no connection string given, it's shown. So I might have the database name as Postgres, and I will not use the get environment. I'll direct use Postgres here, and in the password I had my Postgres password as admin. So when I run this, run this, and run this, yeah, we can see the things what is inside the Postgres. Like if we want to see the table, here is the table and here is the city table, and if you want to see, we can see like all by clicking all rows. These are the things we can see, the same things we can see here. Yeah, but the limit is 10, so we can change the limit to 20. So shift enter, 20 figures are shown. Then after if you want to select the city, select start from city, so all the things will be selected. So yeah, it's shown that 1249 rows are affected, so it will be selected all the things from the city without limitation. Here is a limitation of 20, but here is no limitation. Yeah, so I will limit it to 10 and shift enter. Then there are 10 outputs, 10 rows. So I don't know much about this SQL alchemy. It was given by Qiusheng Wu, assistant professor. So I just download the code and tried with myself. It has imported the create engine from this module, and in the engine we pass the connection string like we had created here. We pass this one in our create engine, so the new engine will be created. Then from SQL alchemy import inspect, and then after in the inspect we will import these things, and then inspect is called and we'll get the table name. So if we go here in pgadmin, like I had created this, refresh, so here is the table. Yeah, so there are two tables named cities and spatial reference system, so we can get the names of the tables, like two names, and I will import pandas as pd, and I will give this read SQL with importing that engine. So it tries to work not with the SQL but with the pandas. Yeah, like read SQL, it has worked with the SQL here, but it's changed now. Yeah, so when I click enter here and I click enter here, then it will show the same result as here. Okay, then after if I want to export it to the CSV, like I can do it to the CSV. I forget the code, so I will look at this code. I think to file or something like that. Yeah, to CSV. So to underscore CSV, and name of the CSV, I write my name like CSV, and when you click shift enter, a CSV file will be created on our download directory with the name Deepak. Yeah, here is one, and we can see the databases in the Excel file. Yeah, we can see the same thing in Excel. So we can export the database from these things again to the Excel, and by using SQL or pandas. So you may be confused with what I did first. So I am going to show you what I did for my project. So I want to delete this to show you the things. So I opened the QGIS. In the Postgres section, I called new connection here. So the name I put here is Postgres. I put it empty. Host is local host. So the port will be 5432 or 5433. If the port is 5433, it will be connected to the 5433. So the username is Postgres for my Postgres, and the password is admin. Then so this is Postgres and password is admin. So I test the connection. The test to Postgres was successful, so we can close this, and then after this we can go to database manager, and we go here and import file, but it seems that the connection is not created. So Postgres, so I will try with 5432 now and test connection. It asks for the password and username, Postgres, and username is admin. Okay, so it's not going to happen. I don't know why is this, because I did the same thing, and yeah, the same thing is happening now. So I think I have to go to 5433 and test the connection. Post and admin, and okay, so the connection to the Postgres was successful, and yeah, the connection is successful now. Then close this. After connection, there should be the connected Postgres, but it's not showing. So I will open this. There might be the problem with the server. Yeah, the same things is showing here. Okay, just I will make another video for you guys, so don't worry. Yeah, bye for now.